Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about Google link penalty. So I work as a content developer and I write content, I write articles, blogs, and Google says content is king. So I write content for various SEO companies and they post it online. But these companies are still involved into black hat practices. They are just creating unnatural links that penalizing their website. So it is affecting them very badly. Their websites are going down on search engine result pages, and I have seen it practically. I don't know why these SEO companies are still doing these black hat practices, because that these are not going to help them. So let's see what Google says. So this is a link scheme. This is a Google support console. So here Google says any link intended to manipulate page rank or a site ranking in Google search results may be considered part of a link scheme or a violation of Google's webmaster guidelines. So Google here clearly says any unnatural or unethical link is a violation of Google's webmaster guidelines. So you have to understand it first, then only you can take any action. Creating links here and there won't help you. The following are the examples of the link schemes which can negatively impact a site's ranking in search results. Buying or selling link that pass page rank. Excessive link exchange is not good. Large article titles or guest posting campaigns with a keyword rich anchor text links. So here it says large scale article marketing. Means a little bit of article marketing is okay if you are posting your content on genuine platform and anchor texting your links, then it's okay. But if you are doing it on a large scale, then it would be considered as spam, and Google won't spare you if you do it. And this is another thing, using automatic programs or service to create links to your website. So this is also a wrong practice. Don't use any automatic programs for this purpose. Additionally, you can see these things, text advertisement that pass page rank. This is not correct. Editorial or narrative advertising where payment is received for article that include links that pass page rank. So those links which are unnaturally created and just to boost your page ranking is not good, because Google will come to know about it. You can see here low quality directory or bookmark site links. So if you publish your website link on a low quality website, so it's a penalty, it will cause you penalty. So there are many things here that you have to see. Let's check Wikipedia as well. So what it says, Google penalty is negatively impact on a website's search ranking based on Google updates. So you have to check the algorithm of Google because it keeps on changing day by day, and if you are going to follow bad practices, then it's not good at all for your site. So let's check out common forms of link spam. First of all is a paid link. Paid link is like a spam, comment spam, blog networks, and guest blog posts. So if you are doing it in a proper way, then it's okay. But unnaturally, if you are entering your website's link everywhere, so it won't be a good practice. Google guest posts become popular as a practice following Penguin, as these were considered white hat techniques for a while. However, Google has since stated that they consider these links to be spam. So guest posting should be done very carefully, and you should not use it relentlessly, and make sure to check it very carefully. There is a term called negative SEO. Negative SEO started to occur following the Penguin update, when it became common knowledge that Google would apply penalties to manipulate links. Such as practices negative SEO have caused companies to be diligent in monitoring their backlinks to ensure they are not being targeted by hostile competitors to negative SEO services. So negatively, if you are promoting your website using backlinks, then it won't be helpful for you. After the Penguin update of Google, the guidelines have become very strict, so you have to follow the Google algorithm and find out what are the good options for you. So using white hat practices is the key, is the future of your SEO. So don't use black hat practices, and link spamming is not good. Google link penalty will cause you very badly. Your whole ranking will decrease in a while. So don't try it. I am again saying it. Please don't try it, and avoid it as much as possible. So I think now you are able to understand the problems. There are many other problems that you need to read. I will share you these links in my description box. You have to read them thoroughly, and I would suggest you one thing as well. Google keeps on updating its algorithm day by day. So if you want to do SEO, positive SEO, or you can say white hat SEO, then you need to keep on reading it. The more you read the updates, the better you will be able to work on SEO. So keep on reading and keep on learning new thing and trying them. Don't use negative and black hat practices. So I think now this is clear for you, and you will use only good practices to promote your website. So thank you for watching this video, and bye bye and take care.